Hey folks, I'm here with Gabrielle Milch, our extension agent, and we got some rain barrels, a wonderful way to get some good water. How can we collect this water in these rain barrels, Gabby?
Well, Jim, that's a great question. How do we get water into these rain barrels? Well, you can do it several ways. You can put it by a downspout in your roof areas out by your house, or you can also just walk around your yard and see where some of that water just comes off that rooftop this time of year when we've got all these rains going. Rain barrels are a great way to have an alternative water source for using in potted plants or vegetable gardening. You can use them for specialty plants like orchids. And one barrel like this collects 55 gallons of water. And on your rooftop, if you have 1,000 square foot and a half-inch rain, you can collect almost 600 gallons of water. Yeah, and there's a lot of ways to collect that water, and you want to, once you do get a rain barrel, you want to see you have some type of a way to get the water out, and then perhaps you want to have an overflow. And this is really important to have a screen over the top so that mosquitoes don't get to be a problem in your yard. And you can use a nice rope like this, or you can use a 48-inch bungee cord. And you want to set this barrel on some cinder blocks, a couple 2-3 feet high, several cinder blocks. Put it under the downspout, and you're there to collect rain in the same afternoon as you get your rain barrel.
Wow, we can save a lot of money with rain barrels and save some precious water too. And I think we have classes, don't we?
Yes, we do, Jim. We have classes at the Extension office of how to build a rain barrel, how to get involved in rainwater harvesting, and you can find out more information about these classes through our website, Seminole County website, and you can contact us by phone or by email. Thank you.
So please save some of our precious water and get yourself a rain barrel. Thanks, folks. Jim Hunter with your short and sweet tip of the day.